Hello and welcome back Better Health community. In this video, we will explore the best home remedies and exercises to help you get rid of foot pain and start feeling better today. Whether you're suffering from plantar fasciitis, heel pain, or other foot-related issues, this video will provide you with the tips and tricks you need to start your journey towards pain-free feet. Before we rub into the details, show your approval of this video by hitting the like button. Consider joining the Better Health community by clicking the subscribe button. As a member, you'll gain free access to our virtual gym. Watch weekly content on workout routines, home remedies, superfoods and more. Foot pain can be a real nuisance, making everyday activities like walking or standing a chore. Foot pain can stem from various issues such as plantar fasciitis, bunions, or simply wearing the wrong shoes. It's essential to understand the root causes to effectively address them. Many people experience foot pain at some point in their lives, and it's often dismissed as a minor issue that will resolve on its own. However, if left unaddressed, foot pain can lead to more severe problems, affecting not just the feet but also the ankles, knees, and even the back. The causes of foot pain are diverse, ranging from poor foot mechanics to medical conditions like arthritis. Common issues like overpronation or flat feet can put additional stress on the feet, leading to pain and discomfort. Wearing high heels or poorly fitted shoes can also contribute to foot pain, as they can cause the feet to be cramped or twisted into unnatural positions. Understanding these causes is crucial in developing an effective plan to alleviate foot pain. Plantar fasciitis is one of the most common causes of foot pain, characterized by inflammation of the plantar fascia, a band of tissue that runs along the bottom of the foot. This condition can be extremely painful, especially in the morning or after periods of rest. Recognizing these conditions is vital in providing the right treatment and care. Stretching is a simple yet effective way to relieve foot pain, as it helps to loosen tight muscles and tendons. One of the most beneficial stretches is the toe stretch, which involves gently pulling the toes back to stretch the plantar fascia. This stretch can be done several times a day, especially in the morning and before bed. Proper footwear is also essential in alleviating foot pain, as it provides the necessary support and cushioning to protect the feet. Shoes with good arch support and a comfortable fit can make a significant difference, reducing the stress and strain on the feet. It's also important to avoid high heels and poorly fitted shoes, opting instead for shoes that allow the feet to breathe and move naturally. By choosing the right shoes, it's possible to reduce foot pain and prevent further complications. Strengthening the feet is another crucial aspect of relieving foot pain, as it helps to build resilience and stability. One of the most effective exercises is the toe curl, which involves curling the toes under to strengthen the muscles in the feet. This exercise can be done several times a day, using a towel or resistance band to increase the challenge. By strengthening the feet, it's possible to improve balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. One of the most effective remedies is the foot soak, which involves soaking the feet in warm water to relax the muscles and tendons. Adding Epsom salt or essential oils to the water can enhance the experience, providing additional benefits like reduced inflammation and improved circulation. One of the most beneficial exercises is the heel raise, which involves standing on the edge of a step or curb to raise the heels and stretch the calf muscles. This exercise can be done several times a day, holding each raise for a few seconds to stretch the muscles. By incorporating this exercise into daily life, it's possible to improve flexibility and reduce foot pain. Another effective exercise is the foot roll, which involves using a tennis ball or roller to massage the feet and release tension. This exercise can be done several times a day, focusing on areas like the arch and the heel. By rolling out the feet, it's possible to reduce muscle tension and improve circulation, leading to healthier and happier feet. This exercise can be done anywhere, making it a convenient addition to daily life. Incorporating these exercises into daily life can have a significant impact on foot health, reducing pain and improving flexibility. It's essential to be consistent and patient, as the results may take time to develop. By committing to a regular exercise routine, it's possible to achieve long-term benefits, enjoying healthier and happier feet. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment below with your experiences, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more health tips and remedies. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.